Hello. I saw this morning I was in Manchester Piccadilly station and I took a shot of an arrival train as well to class 175 unit departing on its way to Chester. But now, as you can see, we're now at Liverpool Lime Street station in Liverpool. And over there is a class 156, a couple of class 158 over there in platform 5, platform 2 and 3. And we've got a Virgin Trains class 390.
Your attention please. The 1915 Northern service to Manchester Airport has been cancelled to start on Manchester Oxford Road instead.
Oh my. Oh my god. What a great start. I was thinking to get a train to Manchester Airport at this station, but now it got announced that it's been cancelled. Now we have to take this train here in platform 5 instead. Time is 18:43, so see you then.